Start.
We have received independence from the British who ruled India for 190 years after defeating Shahidullah, the last Nawab of Bangla, Bihar and Odisha in the year 1757. The seed of independence was planted by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay by his national song Bande Mataram. Bande Mataram means Mother India, I worship you, I salute you. The plant was grown by and nursed by Rabindranath Tagore by his inspiring song National Anthem Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jai He. And this was made fruitful by the several freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for Mother India. The first war of independence for India was in 1857, the Sipahi Mutiny initiated by Mangal Pandey in Blackpool. Sundarnath Banerjee. In 1885, Indian National Congress was founded by A.O. Hume and Umesh Chandra Bandyopadhyay was the first president of the Indian National Congress. Freedom fighters Bhagat Jatin, Surya Sen and his accomplices looted British government's arms ammunition in Chittagram, and Madan Mani Hajra was a Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahamati Gokhale took active part in freedom fighting. In 1906, uses the word Swaraj, we want Swaraj. The Servant of India Society was founded by Gokhale and Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The revolutionary said the Swaraj is my birthright. Gandhiji started non-violent movement and non-cooperation against the British government in 1920. In 1923, the Swaraj Party was formed by Indian Party was formed by Mohan Malviya, and INC agrees to launch the civil disobedience campaign. Gandhiji started his fast for 21 days. In 1930, 26 January, the first Independence Day was observed all over India. On March 12, Gandhiji began his Gandhi March, and on 6th April 1930, Gandhiji defined salt tax at Dandi. In 1939, Second Great War started. National the best time that England will be involved in the war and be weak, and this was the best time for removing the British from India, and Subhash Chandra Bose took this opportunity and escaped from India on 17 January 1941 and arrived in Berlin. In 1942, August 7 and 8, Gandhiji gives call for do or die. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose forms its Indian National Congress in Malaya in 9th August 1942. August Candi movement took place, and on 1st October 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose inaugurates his Ayabin Sarkar in Singapore. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar also took part in freedom of India. Lal Bal Pal, this Lal Bihari Lala Rajput Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Pal were the foremost of freedom fighters whose names are written in the golden letters in Indian history. Lala Rajput Rai was beaten to death for protesting against the British, and Subhash Chandra Bose hoisted Indian flag in the year 1944 in Imphal. His sacrifice for freedom of the country is unparalleled, and he was sent to jail by the British government for 11 times. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also contributed for freedom in India and was in jail for 305 days. ये पार्ट तो सुना
तो पॉज कर ना दिल्ली चलो पढ़ो
we achieved the freedom after 73 years of British rule. But the urgent requirement of human beings, that is food, shelter, medicine, for keeping good health and education, are not yet fulfilled. Among these, food is the first and foremost. So, if our financial capacity permits, we shall give food to the needy and the poor and the persons who face starvation. Offering one who dies who does the acts of pity, so offering food to the man and family, the first and foremost good work of life. For want of food and starvation is not actually known, but it may be 9% of the population, and that is about 40 million to 150 millions in the world. The poorest countries in the world are Mozambique, Somalia, Eritrea, and Ethiopia and Congo. How the UNO is going to tackle the poverty of these countries is not known. Who offers food to the starving one is the best kind of human being. Next is the shelter. That is a roof over the head. Homeless people in India stands 17 lakhs, 7,000, and next in the world, is Indonesia. So next priority to mankind is to provide a shelter to the homeless people. Government of India launched a scheme about Rollingas Yojana and has given some relief to the homeless people, and under this scheme up to higher income group can get this loan, but only those people can avail this opportunity who has no home at all. Next, literacy in this aspect, we are far below the overall literacy of the world, and the literacy of the India today is 69.1%. It is shameful that many undeveloped countries are more literate than our country. For increased literacy among the people, the number of primary schools and high school, adult school is suggested. Number of primary school in India today is 80 lakhs 9,000 in every village of India, and primary education shall be made compulsory, and the democracy is failure and unsuccessful for the people of the country and illiterate because they have no sense to elect. Above all, huge population in India has become a bar in fulfilling the above requirements, so controlling the birth rate is essential and foremost duty. Like China, one child per couple shall be enforced immediately, or the government shall not be able to tender the benefits as per the scheme. Poverty, literacy are the outcome of huge population. However, some section of the people have self-realization and they have created a small home, small family to bring up the children in a proper manner in respect of health, food, education, other requirements. They make a small